Hey guys, Jared down here with Redwater Dodge, home of the Rig Ready Rams, Rig Ready Used and Rig Ready Approved. And today we're going to be talking what accessories should be dealer installed versus aftermarket. So, number one thing is you just picked up your brand new truck, say like one of these here behind me, and you're wanting to get some stuff done to it, guys. The biggest things you want to avoid is things that are going to void your warranty. So frame, suspension, those kind of things, you want to avoid them. If you're doing some simple upgrades, say some floor mats, some tinted windows, bug deflector, those kinds of things, no big deal. Those are never going to void your warranty. If you are looking to do some accessories, say you want to put on some high-end wheels, that kind of thing, guys, always shop to the dealer. So here with us, we do friends and family discounts, guys, to keep those things and those costs nice and affordable for you, keeping you helped out, as well as they do really help in your resale value. So you're never going to have to pay that money up front. You can roll it straight into your auto financing, guys. So if you want to buy this truck, but you want to put, some nice wheels and tires on it, no problem. We'll help you. We'll get a quote, pick out the ones you want, get them tossed on that truck, put it straight into your financing, which is also going to help you later down the line with that resale value, guys. Another big thing that's super nice about shopping through the dealer and getting those is often those parts are going to roll into your 3-year or 60,000 kilometer bumper to bumper warranty, guys. So if anything breaks, go drop the keys off with the service team there and you'll get helped out, no problem at all. So basically, kind of moral of the story, guys, is the biggest thing is you don't want to gamble on the second largest investment in your life, guys. Shop with the pros and stick with the people who engineered your vehicle, guys. If it interests you, you want to get some more information, give us a shout, 780-942-3629.